Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the scales off your Swiss Army knife. First, the tool you'll need is a screwdriver. I'm just using one of this kind. Hold on, let me try and get that in focus. There we go. It could be any kind of screwdriver, as long as it's kind of slim. Okay, now you're going to remove the scales, take out the tools on the top, the tweezers and the toothpick. Let me zoom in so you can see this. So you got these removed, and you take your tool, zoom out a little bit actually. You take your tool, you put it, key rings in the way. Put it in the little hole and pry it up. Then the scale pops off. Same for the other side. Okay? So if you have to clean the inside or whatever, it's kind of easy to take them off, but if you do it too much, the handles become loose. And this is the little, let me get the light over here. That's the little slot for your tweezers and your toothpick. So if you want to put them back on, you just put them in the correct spot and just push them down. Sometimes you hear a snap and sometimes you won't. And now, there you go. Check for empty spaces like this. You put it into a light, and if you see any light coming through it, that's where you know you have to press harder. Okay, there's no light coming through. That's good. And you can put your tools back in. I'm not sure where these go actually, which ones. Oh, here we go. Got it. Okay, and one more thing I want to show you about this. It's a little secret, not many people know about it. But then again, everybody can know about it, I'm not really sure. Behind the screwdriver, there's a little hole. Hold on, I'm trying to... You know what, I'm gonna go get a flashlight, I'll be right back. Okay, I got my flashlight. It's just a little rechargeable hand crank. So if the battery runs out, then you're all set. Okay, now here's the little hole. Let me try and get this in focus here. Right there. Oh. Right there. And you could fit a little pin. If you got the Swiss card, you can fit that little pin in there, or you could fit any other pin, which I don't have one at the moment. But if you put the pin in there and then you close it, the pin's not going to come out because the screwdriver is going to be holding it in. So that's just my short little video on how to take off the scales off the Swiss Army knife and the little Swiss hole. Thanks for watching.